If what you want to sell is already in our product catalog, the listing process can be done in seconds. Most parameters will be filled out for you already. This tutorial will show you how to list a product that we already have in our product catalog. Click the link in the description to find out how to create new products when listing offers. Go to your Allegro account and switch the language to English. Click Sales and then choose List Using Form. Enter the product name or code. The more specific, the better. Look at the products list and choose the one that matches your product. Click on a product's thumbnail to review its details. If you see any mistakes in parameters, you can report them using this button. If you're happy with the product, select it. You will already have a Polish title ready, but you can always change it. Add a reference number if you want. The right category will already be chosen for you. Most parameters will already be filled out. All you need to do is fill out a few, like the state of the product. You can even add custom parameters if you want to give customers more information. Next, add photos. You can add up to 16. The first one will be the thumbnail. Add the product description. There's a few layouts to choose from, and you can mix them however you want. One line can be text only. The next could be a combination of text and photo, for example. If you have a Polish instruction manual or other helpful document, you can optionally attach it. Choose the sales format. Most offers on Allegro use the Buy Now format. Now you can type in the price in Polish zloty and the item quantity. You can decide if you want your offer to be active until it's out of stock or to run for a defined period of time. Now it's time to choose the shipping price list template and set the dispatch time. The buyer will see the full delivery time in your offer. Any other important information about deliveries can be added here. Make sure to change the offer's place of dispatch if you're sending it from outside of Poland. Next, choose the right refund, complaint, and optionally, warranty templates. You can find out more about completing those items in our other tutorials. If you or your carrier can offer any additional services, you can add a template of those services. Remember to do so only if you can always offer those services to the buyers who choose them. Last but not least, you can optionally promote your offer. Choose Feature if you want your offers to appear higher on the listing. You can pick a 10-day package or a flexible feature. To make the offer stand out even more, choose the Promo package or the Promote on the Category page option, available in some categories. Choose when you want the item to be listed and check what fees you'll be charged. You can easily preview your offer before listing it. If you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and list it. This is the summary screen, where you can see if the offer was added successfully. You can also list a similar or new item. That's it! Now you know how to list an offer on Allegro.
Visit Allegro Academy and find out how to boost your sales. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.